po ako yung nagbigay ng drugs.
Oh, yan, diba? Hindi naman na.
Alam mo, hindi ako nag-abot ng droga. Yung mga kaibigan niya, sila yan. So, and isa pa, hindi ako natatakot. They did that to me for 10 years. They character assassinate me, they insulted me, hinubaran na nila ako't lahat, pinasama na nila ako't lahat. Alam mo yun, meron nga yan nasa internet, meron pa doon na gumagawa ng mga account ko. Actually, nalaman namin. Nalaman namin kasi pina-NBA naman namin dati. Hindi ko lang talaga pinatulan kasi malapit sa kanila.
Yeah.
Pinakiusapan ako na wag mo nang gawin kasi parang ayaan mo na lang. So just imagine that. Tapos napahamak din yung mga anak ko. I'm doing this for my children
Yeah.
The way they do it, wala silang pakialam sa mga anak nila. Ultimo sarili ng anak, pinababayaan lang magdroga di ba? So,
Really?
what else do you do? Di ba? Yeah.
Really?
So,
I mean, even the Marcoses, their kids?
You can,
really?
pa-hair follicle test rin po.
Really? So, can I get you back to that night where you said the First Lady offered you cocaine, no? Was it
Senator siya noon, no?
Yeah, he was senator at that time, no? So, what did it seem like? Like it was normal for her to do that? Like
Yeah.
it was...
It was normal for her. Kasi, una, territory niya yun Tapos,
Yeah.
I'm with their closest friend.
Yeah.
And they don't just invite or accept people in their home, right? So,
Pag kumbaga lifestyle talaga ito.
exactly. Lifestyle. Lahat. Lifestyle yun. They trust them. And like, I will never feel sorry saying this. Because like, this is, again, it's not about me. It's about the countrymen. So
In other words, Cathy, if it wasn't a President Bongbong Marcos that's there, you don't find the need to talk about this, right?
Yes.
But except that it is the Bongbong Marcos is a president and the First Lady is acting like the president, no? Making policy, affecting policy, etc., di ba?
Yeah.
And being very abusive and arrogant with their power,
Yes.
di ba?
Yes.
So this is what we're seeing right now. So
That is
yeah, go ahead.
2012, right? 2012.
2012, if I'm not mistaken, kasi in between 2012, 2013.
Issue,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And would you say that the person who is subject of that PDA investigation, siguro I think alam mo rin to, belong in the circle?
Sino ba yun? Sorry Hindi ako nag-watch talaga.
I think, yung may-ari ng ng condo was Daza or something. Yung kay Maricel.
Yeah, Bong Dazaba.
Oh, he died na.
Yeah, he died.
Well, it's public. They know it.
Yeah, they know he's
They know. Yeah.
But it,
He's a
of course,
user.
it collaborates the fact that that is the same circle and that they do it on this area sa mga bahay. So, may credibility yung PIDEA na investigation na yun, na hindi siya gawa-gawa na manufactured lang, na AI lang siya, as sinasabi nga ng PIDEA.
Okay, a question ha. Do you find it shocking that when that PIDEA leaks came out, no, there was a Senate hearing and everything, do you find it shocking that people covered up for the president?
Oh, yeah. It's the money.
But is this a usual thing with that circle,
Opo.
that people cover up for them? That's why they're kind
Yeah,
of
it's
arrogant.
cordon sanitaire nga.
Okay.
Parang they will protect each other.
They really feel that they're above the law.
Yeah, parang kaya namin to. We have all the money. Like, even me, pag kunwari, pag may kaibigan ako, bawal lang ako makipagkaibigan before, hindi naglalas. Kasi inaaway or gagawa ng issue, nabe-brainwash ka Kasi, parang, wag yan, gagamitin ka lang yan. Wag mo samahan yan. Then I realized, nung naghiwalay kami, oh my God, wala akong friends. Kasi parang ang friends ko, friends niya. Then I asked talaga, I'm calling everybody, please help me to talk to him. Parang wag naman niya akong ganyan. Walang nakinig sa akin. Pero you know what? Sabi ko nga, then I realized now na, yun na nga, this is what's happening right now. It's scary. Kasi po, siya, parang, yun yung nangyayari. Parang sila grupo sila. Kaya yan yung naging grupo. Kasi they feel safe. The first family feels safe because yan yung grupo nila. So they will protect each other. They're doing the same thing. They have the same mind. It's like parang criminal minds nga to. Narcissist criminal minds diba?
Yeah, but ang nakikita ko, no, you're correct You're correct talaga. Kasi what I'm seeing right now is sinauna, yung noon pa, yung politics na lumang-luma na napag-iwanan na ng Pilipino, na strong arm, na isa-silence ang press. But like they don't understand that it's the age of information and at this age, no? And that it's not only, etc., no? That sort of thing. So parang for me, apart from the arrogance, no, is the ignorance. Parang they're so, medyo mahina ang utak.
Well, they think kasi they're above the law. And again, sabi ko nga sa'yo nung I was in that situation, in that relationship, palagi akong sinasabihan, hindi mo sila kailangan. Pag namatay ako, okay ka na, set ka na.
La la